300,000 followers, $0 in revenue. That's where I was 2 months ago. And I'm not talking about a bad month. I'm talking about 2 years of nothing. The account just sat there while the followers stayed. Now here is something nobody tells you about audience online. If you build a business on a platform that changes its rule while you weren't watching, you might have the same problem as I had. This is how I broke a business that was making real money, why it stopped, and what are the steps I'm making in order to bring it back. Now, to understand what's broke, you have to first understand what was working. A few years ago, I had a course teaching flexibility, mobility, strength, and everything under the movement umbrella. 10,000 students bought the course, and the business ran almost entirely on Facebook ads. $5 to $10 to acquire a customer, worth $100 to $200. Now, if you know anything about business, you know that this is an insane return. I was spending $1,000 and get $8,000 to $10,000. So what happened? Why did it stop? April 26, 2021. On April 26, 2021, Apple released the iOS 14.5. And if you ran ads before and after this date, you know what I'm talking about. Here's what was happening before iOS 14. If someone browsed your website, purchased from your website, Facebook Pixel tracked it and tracked it all. Facebook knew who bought, what they looked like as a user, what else they watched, what they clicked. It built an incredibly precise picture of who your buyer is. And then Apple gave every Apple user this pop-up. Do you want to give this app to track you? And 80% of people said no. And overnight, Facebook lost the ability to see what happens after the click. It couldn't tell you who bought and who didn't. So its algorithm that was optimized to find buyers was now flying blind. My cost per purchase went from $5 to $10 to almost the same price as my product was. So basically I was spending $100 to make $100. The business model collapsed overnight. And here is what made it worse. I didn't fully understand what was going wrong, so I kept tweaking my ads, changing the creative, adjusting the audience. None of it worked. Eventually I just stopped and let the account go dormant. 2 years passed. Fast forward to 2 months ago, the account still has 300,000 followers, the course is still live, and the landing page is still up. I just hadn't touched any of it. And I started thinking, what if this is fixable? The product is good, 10,000 people bought it. The creative that worked, I still have them. The email list of buyers, I still got it. And the landing page is still alive. The only thing that changed was the tracking. So what if there is a way to fix the tracking? Here's where it gets interesting. Facebook knew that they got a problem, so they fixed it with a conversion API. Instead of tracking through the browser, which Apple can block, the conversion API sends data directly from your server to Meta, and Apple can't touch it. It's like going around the wall instead of going through it. But before I even touched the technical stuff, I went through my landing page with fresh eyes, and what I found was embarrassing. The button said $199 and every ad that I was running said $99. That's a number that they didn't expect, and they leave. I also had broken images, FAQ that doesn't work, and a lot of friction on the way to the purchase. And I did everything in my power to do the purchasing experience as frictionless as possible. Here's the wild part. When I looked at my ad data, the click-through rate on my best videos were 25%. For context, a good CTR for a video is 1 to 2%, and I had ads with 25. People were clicking, but they weren't buying when they arrived. So here's what I changed. Price to $97, buy button above the fold, FAQ answers filled in, and I uploaded my entire buyer list, 10,000 emails, as a custom audience to Facebook, so it can build a lookalike audience that already paid me money. So here's where things stand right now. I'm going to show you the real numbers because this is the point of this channel. I'm spending 50 Israeli shekels, it's approximately $12 or $13 a day. My best performing ad right now has a 9% click-through rate. The explanation video I'm running has 100% landing page views, meaning everyone that clicks actually reaching the page. Have I made sales yet? So now I'm in a testing phase. The campaign have been running for less than 5 days with a fixed landing page. Facebook algorithm need at least 50 purchases before it gets out of the learning phase and start optimizing properly. And I'm not there yet. But here's what I know: the ads click, the page loads, the checkout works, and the price is right. The product is good. Every variable that I can control, I controlled. So now I'm watching the data and I'm documenting all of it. Real numbers, real results, real failures. 2 years ago, I had a business that was running and I let it go dormant because I didn't understand what broke it. But I'm figuring it out in public, online, with real money on the line. Every video on this channel is going to document something real. A test I ran, a mistake I made, a system that worked, no theory, no generic advice. Just watch what actually happens. If you want to follow along, subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to show you what are the steps I'm taking to make this business make money again, and more importantly, provide value for the people that buying the course and applying all the materials inside of it.